All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot. This is going to be a little harder video to make. It's a little more personal. I've been feeling kind of pissed off, angry. I don't know why. I've just been feeling that way. Maybe a little anxious. Maybe I've been doing too much ham radio. Maybe I'm letting the issues going on in the world affect me too much. Maybe I'm allowing others to influence me too much. I don't know what it is, but I've identified it, which is half the issue. Towards fixing it. That I've been angry. I've been angry at a lot of things. I've been angry at fellow hams. I've been angry at this. I've been angry at that. I've been angry at a lot of stuff. And today that's got to stop. It's affecting me. Affecting the content I put on this channel. Which is affecting my appreciation and love for amateur radio. I don't know. This and that. Frustration with this. Frustration with that. You know, some people have messaged me privately, which I thank you very much for asking if I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. This is what happens. I figured it out. I get too emotionally invested. Missy, my lovely wife, has pointed this out numerous times. I get too emotionally attached to things. And then when it doesn't go the way I like it to go, I get pissed off. And I start dumping stuff left, right, and center. Be it my first marriage, be it my career. You know, it's no secret, guys. You know this if you've been a fan of my channel. I'm good at what I do for a career, but I don't like it. I'm really good at it. But I just don't like it. I've been doing it for way too long. And sometimes a client will email me at the wrong time and it ruins my day. Or I hear something on the radio that I don't agree with and it ruins my day. So anyway, I just want to apologize for my behavior. And sometimes I come across in this channel. I'm a big believer at, we're all suffer from weaknesses at different parts of our life. I'm no different. I've dealt with these type of issues before. I hopefully don't have to deal with them again, but I think half the challenge is just identifying when I'm going down that way and then finding some diversion to take me away. Like next week when the snow's all gone, hopefully, I got a bunch of wood I gotta clean up for the winter. That'll be a nice break from, doing some ham radio. And I gotta start focusing on what I love and not worried about what others think or what others do or, what's going on with Parks on the Air or Worldwide Flora and Fauna or this or that or whatever. Just get back to having fun. Isn't that what this hobby is all about? Just having fun. Anyway, thanks to all you guys out there who messaged me. I have noticed that particular behavior trend in my demeanor over the last while, and I just want to say sorry to anyone who I've upset or frustrated or pissed off or whatever you want to call it. Back to being the fun of me. Do what I do and have fun. Okay, we'll see you guys in the next video. It's going out to do spring fling this weekend. I'm looking forward to that. See y'all later.